Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to turn on comments on YouTube from your Android mobile. So we will not use the YouTube app. We will open up the YouTube Studio. Okay, so first of all you need to open up browser in your Android, and then you need to go to this link here, type in studio.youtube.com, and here it says that get the app. So you will just tap on continue to studio, and it will open up the studio on your Android. Okay, so you will see studio like this one. So make sure that your desktop site is turned on like this one. So just tap on this one, and then your studio will be converted into a desktop site. Okay, so then you will basically just zoom in here, and in the last here you can see settings option. Just tap on this, and then here you can see bunch of different options. So tap on upload defaults, and now go to advanced options here, and from here you can basically select all of these. Okay, so we have this option here of the comments. I don't know where it goes, but it should be here somewhere. So basic info here, and if we just go to the channel here, my channel is, sorry, go to the channel here and go to advanced tab here. Okay, not made for kids, make sure that it is set to not made for kids. Okay, so I don't know why this option is not showing here, but the option is here. Okay, if you go to the upload default here, then go to the advanced settings here, then here should be an option of the comments. Okay, so from here you can basically choose the option to allow comments or don't allow comments here. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. Guys, if you find this tutorial helpful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next video.